mess too, ain't you? Plug your employees. They're a mess. Ooh, you got to deal with attitudes. Okay? Managing grown people, right? So this, just imagine, this is why it's no balance right here. Life is already full of so many uncertainties. You decided to jump on over here with your busy life that's already like this, and this ain't no better. You just added on to the problem. Okay? Because business is full of a bunch of uncertainties too. You don't know when you're gonna get paid. You want it to balance out, but it's just not gonna balance. It's not gonna be a balance. Alright, so just accept the fact that it's not gonna be a balance. Miss Maddie, you said when you plan right, things go left. Welcome to entrepreneurship. Okay? Welcome to this is the game that we're playing. Well, this is what I have to say about that. You have signed up to be a business owner, right? And in 2024, the internet, the social media part of it is highly required. Okay? So even me, you might think that I'm on social media 24/7. I got somebody posting on it. Okay, so you can always delegate social media. I'm not a social media person either, but it seems like I'm one, right?
Yeah.
I'm trying. No. Okay, I can't tell you what the next post is gonna be because somebody else handles that for me. And I pay her $100 a week, a virtual assistant. Okay, so that's what you guys can do. My VA, she has my iCloud to that phone right there, right? So as she's recording, she can see everything from the Philippines and what's going on. So you know what she's doing? Chopping it up, put it on social media. I don't have to log in and do edit video. I don't got time for that. Remember that productivity thing that we talked about? I don't have time for that. You don't have time to be doing $8 and $10 an hour tasks as a business owner. All right, your good time, good energy needs to be put in money producing things. Anybody ever heard of it? Alignable is cool, man. It's cool, man. I actually like Alignable better than LinkedIn. You never heard of it?
No, I have not. And you know what they have on there? I've registered for some. They got a lot of good free events.
They
You know
do.
what I'm saying?
They do.
Networking events online, or online Zoom stuff like that. Yeah.
My business started, June of 2023. I know a lot from Tenacity Academy. I'm so glad I found them, off YouTube. They just popped up and I was watching them for a while before I actually invested. And I actually asked the Lord, to lead me to the right people because, I am fresh. And he led me this way and I've been investing ever since. And I'm so glad I've met some good people and we're all on the same journey of winning.
Biggest takeaway was pricing, how I was doing it. You're definitely right about the cash flow. And you could have read me like a book. I am overpaying and overworked.
Okay.
So that was very informative. And also marketing. Like sometimes you we get caught up in our own head as far as we're our own worst enemy, not feeling like we're enough. And the mindset has to be there because every day you get up, you're at war. So
Right.
you have to know that you're worth it